Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen in the CapCut PC. So in here, I have this background. I'm using a background and I want to add a green screen into this background right here. So I'm going to just use one from the CapCut PC. So you can just find the green screen that you want and then add it into CapCut. For example, here I'm going to just use this number, a green screen number. You can just download it first and then you can just add it or put it on top of the background. And now to get rid of the green screen, you can just use chroma key. So go to the remove background in here and you'll see chroma key. Drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity, shadow, and also clean up edge. You can also add a feather edge if you want to. And that's it. This is the final result for the green screen. So that's how you can use green screen in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.